Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix AliExpress order close. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually fix this, or can you actually fix this? So in this case, we'll be discussing exactly how to, or in this case, know if it's actually possible. So unfortunately, once an order has been closed on AliExpress, it cannot be reopened under any circumstances, even if you reach out to top management of AliExpress, or in this case their support, so they cannot assist in reopening a closed order. So it's crucial not to rush into confirming receipt of your order. If you confirm the order too soon and later discover that the product is faulty or not as described, you won't be able to open a dispute or request a refund for that closed order. So this is particularly important for electronics, so be sure to test products thoroughly for at least a week or even 2 to 3 days here before confirming the delivery. Now, if you actually accidentally confirm a receipt of an order, then unfortunately this is going to be a big problem because you won't be able to reverse it. So, in this case, if your order has been closed and you haven't received the product, you may still be able to get a refund. So the key is to ensure you have screenshots or other forms of evidence to support your claim. So if you have any conversations with the seller itself or the seller themselves, you can go ahead and screenshot them and contact support in order for you to actually fix, or in this case, a report regarding this problem. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.